Hey, I'm Will and Noble Locksmith, and you're watching my YouTube channel, Car Key Wizard. I'm an automotive locksmith, and while I definitely don't know it all, I have learned some tricks along the way that I hope will help you while you're out in the field. One thing you can do to help me out, though, would be to subscribe to my channel. And if you like my videos, leave a comment or ask a question, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I make a lot of videos, so if there's something you'd like to learn more about or a video you'd like to see on a car we're working on, just let me know in the comments and I'll put it up as soon as I can. Thanks, and I hope you enjoy watching my videos.
Alright, we have a 2025 Subaru Outback. We're adding a proximity key. This job really does not get any easier. This is their key, this is my key. I have their emergency decoding on my key machine while I do this. You do have to do manual on this one. America Outback 20 plus. Some marquee. We go to control unit, keyless system, remote control learning. We're going to do add a key because we have one. We're going to hold it up, get the beeps, hold the new one up, get the beeps, and we're going to get out of here. Ignition's on. Alright, hold the learn key up. There's my beep. There's my other beep. Keys went from 2 to 3. It's weird, this car already had 2 keys. It's got 2,000 miles and 1 key. Weird. Anyway, that's how easy that is. We are done here. Turn it off, test the remote. Oh yeah, we do have to do this. Do have to turn the ignition on with both keys by pushing the button, but after that, you are good to go. Car starts, smart key addition is completed, remote works, and I'm going to go cut the emergency key. I have that decoding on the M1 clamp. You can decode these as a Toyota Camry 2014 and above. As the emergency key. It's the third selection on the Dolphin. It allows you to decode and cut on the M1 without having to use any kind of riser. But, like I said, doesn't get any easier than that.